Are you looking for the best outdoor floodlights? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best outdoor floodlights on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Leonlite LED Motion Sensor Floodlight. The Leonlite COB LED security light stood out for its 2 rotatable heads that circle 360 degrees as well as straight up and down. They offer superior visibility and the ability to light the yard from all angles. The lights feature 3 modes, including manual and auto settings. During testing, we noticed that it emitted a warm yellow light, which we felt blended much better with the environment compared to a stark white light. Although these outdoor lights require hardwiring, we found no calibration necessary, making them relatively simple to install. On-time mode gives you full control over the light using a switch. There are also 2 auto modes, motion detector or dusk to dawn. We ended up using dusk to dawn the most because it helped deter critters like skunks, deer, and possums from hanging out on our property. Our only issue with this light fixture is that it's not fully waterproof and is best mounted in a location that is at least partly shielded from heavy rain or snow, such as a covered deck or patio. How it performed after 6 months. After 6 months of testing, it performed just as well as it did the first day we installed it. It held up well to wind, rain, and even snow, and we felt safer in our yard because of the light. We also love that it's an affordable price, especially for how bright it is. We wish it came with smart features, but overall, it still remains the best outdoor floodlight. Product details: watts, 20 watts, brightness, 1800 lumens, light beam angle, 180 degrees, motion sensor, yes, power source, hardwired. Number 2. LEPOWER Solar Security Light 1000 LM. The LEPOWER outdoor solar security lights save you money because they run on solar power, helping to lower your electric bill. The set includes a double-headed floodlight and a solar panel that has to be installed in a generally sunny location within 15 feet of the lights. For testing, we mounted the light on a tree facing our back gate. While we didn't think it was bright enough to be an effective security light, it worked well as a supplemental perimeter light, especially for access points like a back or side gate that typically don't get a lot of light. The motion sensor detects movement up to 72 feet, which is a pretty impressive range. It's possible to change the setting so the light stays on for up to 90 minutes as long as it's fully charged. You won't find a slew of features on these lights other than being able to adjust lighting time and detection distance. It also doesn't come with a switch box to turn it on and off. How it performed after 3 months. These lights continued to perform well throughout our testing period, incurring no damage from weather. We maintain that they are probably most effective in illuminating a smaller space or as supplemental lighting. Product details: watts, 4.4 watts, brightness, 1000 lumens, light beam angle, 180 degrees, motion sensor, yes, power source, solar power. Number 3. Ring HD Motion Activated Floodlight Camera. There are lights and then there are smart lights. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus earned top marks across our testing categories, including value, features, and design. It works with the Ring app along with Alexa to offer voice control plus access through your phone and Echo devices. It consists of 2 LED floodlights which have to be hardwired into your electrical system. The packaging is well organized and includes places to keep the pieces and tools separate, which helped make the installation process easier. You can control the brightness through the app and also adjust the light's angle to illuminate specific areas. Keep in mind that the light does not change colors. In testing, it significantly brightened a 20 by 20 foot area around the garage. The motion detector lets you create custom zones. Other cool features include 2-way talking if someone is standing in front of the camera and a siren that you can sound to scare off potential intruders or pesky critters. Plus, if you are already a Ring user, you can link all your devices to make your security system more robust. The light is available in packs of 1, 2, 3, and 4. How it performed after 6 months. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus continued to be one of our favorite outdoor floodlights after 6 months of testing. The light was bright and powerful throughout the testing period, and we watched the security footage almost every day through the app. The quality of the floodlight did not change, but it did get dirty from various weather conditions. It can be cleaned with a garden hose or a gentle setting on a pressure washer. Product details: watts, 24 watts, brightness, 2000 lumens, light beam angle, N/A, motion sensor, yes, power source, hardwired. Number 4. GE CYNC Smart Outdoor Floodlight Bulb. These 90-watt color-changing lights from GE go far behind your typical white hues. It's a great option to set the mood for any occasion: a romantic outdoor dinner, a house party with friends, or a holiday. It features millions of color options that can be changed from the app, which also lets you control the lights remotely and has a scheduling feature. Additionally, the lights sync with Amazon Alexa, so you can link them with other smart lighting. During testing, we set it to cool white, which gave off a strong, bright beam that illuminated the area sufficiently. Installation was a breeze. Since it's just a bulb, we were able to screw it in the existing fixture in 3 minutes. If you don't have a fixture, you'll need to get one separately. Overall, these light bulbs met all our expectations and then some. They are available in 2 and 4 packs as well as single bulbs at some retailers. How it performed after 6 months. The GE Lighting CYNC Smart LED light bulbs maintained the same level of brightness throughout our testing period. We synced up the lights with our Alexa and scheduled them to come on every evening, and this function worked perfectly. The various color options were fun to change during holidays, and we used the red and green hues during the Christmas season. Product details: watts, 90 watts, brightness, 1300 lumens, light beam angle, N/A, motion sensor, no, power source, electric. Number 5. SANSI Motion Sensor Outdoor Floodlight. Compared to a 150-watt halogen light we previously used, the SANSI Outdoor Integrated Light was a big improvement. Not only did it improve the lighting around our home, but, at 45 watts, it was a lot brighter and used less energy than our old halogen floodlight. The floodlight consists of 3 LEDs on either side of its mounting box that can be moved for the light to shine at different angles. The bulbs emit 5000K bright white light, which we found quite powerful. During testing, it was able to light a 50 by 80 foot backyard plus deck. Keep in mind that the light has to be hardwired. However, because it needed no calibration or special setup, we were able to install it ourselves with the help of the directions, which were clear and easy to follow. That said, inexperienced DIYers might want to hire an electrician. The floodlight comes with an energy-saving dusk-to-dawn sensor that turns the lights on and off at sunset and sunrise. Keep in mind that it doesn't have a motion sensor, and you also cannot adjust this light's brightness levels. How it performed after 6 months. After 6 months of testing, the quality and durability of this light remain the same, despite experiencing rain, snow, hail, and temperatures ranging from below freezing to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The light continued to be bright and illuminated a wide area, which made us feel safe. Product details: watts, 45 watts, brightness, 6000 lumens, light beam angle, 320 degrees, motion sensor, no, power source, hardwired.